Hi, students and families. This is Rebecca Kidwell from Tech Services, and I'm here with a quick video about how to join a Google Meet using a Chromebook or a Windows or Mac device with the code or the link from Google Classroom that your teacher has shared with you. You can use Google Meet on other devices like an iPad, a tablet, or a smartphone. If you're planning to use one of those devices, your best plan is just to download the Meet app to that device and go from there by following the instructions. But if you're using a school Chromebook or your own Chromebook or another personal device, you can start by opening the Chrome browser and making sure you're signed into your school account in the top right corner. If you're on a Windows or Mac machine, there may be a spot to sign in to the browser as well up here, and that might be helpful to check as well. So check both of those, and once you're sure you're in a school account, it's time to click on the waffle. Click the waffle and find Meet. This will open up Meet, and the background pattern is a little different each time. Doesn't matter if your screen looks different from mine, but you'll definitely have the option to enter a meeting code. So my teacher emailed earlier and told me that my group is called the Dino team, and that's the code we're going to use for our meeting today. So I'm going to type that in. I'm going to try again to type that in and click continue. And you'll get the opportunity to preview what you can see with your camera. There's me. Hi. I'm going to check the background behind me and make sure that it's appropriate for school. My not so stylish ceiling fans and my daughter's art are okay. I'm going to turn the camera off anyway, just so you don't have to keep seeing me. I do want to mute my microphone before I enter the meeting. And you can tell that when I turned the camera off, it turned red. Your microphone will also turn red when you're muted. So I'm going to make sure mine is red before I enter the meeting, and then I'm going to click join now. And there I am in the call with the teacher. I'm going to leave the call. As long as the teacher is still in the call, I'd be able to rejoin. The other option is to join through Google Classroom. So if you are already part of a classroom with your teacher, you can go to the waffle and click on Classroom. You can see that my account here is enrolled in one class, the Student Technicians class. And I'm going to click on that, and my teacher has given us a Meet link. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that Meet link to join. And I can't join the call. This is because I'm a few minutes early. My teacher isn't there yet. So I can't do that. I'm going to close up. I'm going to walk away for a couple minutes. I'm going to give my teacher a chance to get ready to join. And once my teacher is there, I should have no problem being able to join the Meet. So now it's our actual meeting time. My teacher has joined. I'm going to click on the link again. And this time it's going to work. There I am on the preview camera, and I can mute my microphone before I enter the meeting. I'm going to leave it red if I'm a student entering the meeting, and I'm going to click join now. And there I am in the meeting again. So those are the two easiest ways to join a meeting as a student or from a student account. Parents, if a teacher or staff member emails you a link to join, there's actually a separate process that you'll follow for that. I will give you a separate video showing you how to do that. But as long as you're logged into a school account, these are the two ways that students or parents with students will be joining meetings. I hope this was helpful to you, and I hope you have a great day.